Chiliz value equivalent to $0.0820 a coin, which is genuinely huge. The present range, $0.0756, $0.0821, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, $0.0765, which explicitly is very critical. The change was plus 0.0055. Plus 7.19%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to CHZ. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost forecast for July 2023, which is genuinely critical. First and foremost, cost at $0.076, greatest cost $0.083, least cost $0.067. Or so they truly thought. The normal for the month $0.076, which is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.076, change for July 0.0%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. Or so they basically thought. Initially cost at $0.076, most extreme cost $0.092. Least cost $0.067. The normal for the month $0.078. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.076. Change for August 0.0% in an in every practical sense enormous way. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2023 in an in every practical sense huge way. To start with, cost at $0.076, greatest cost $0.076. Least cost $0.060. The normal for the month $0.069. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.064. Change for September 15.8%, which especially is genuinely critical. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Before all else, cost at $0.064. Most extreme cost $0.064. Kind of least cost $0.050. The truly normal for the month $0.058. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.054. Change for October 15.6%. Which especially is very huge. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.054. Greatest cost $0.061. Least cost $0.053. The sort of normal for the month $0.056. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.057. Change for November 5.6%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for December 2023, which is very huge. At the outset, cost at $0.057, or so they thought. Greatest cost $0.057. Least cost $0.048. Amazingly, the normal for the month $0.054. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.052. Change for December 8.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.052. Most extreme cost $0.055. Least cost $0.047 in a very enormous way. The normal for the month $0.051. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.051. Change for January 1.9%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Or so they thought. Before all else, cost at $0.051 in an unobtrusive manner. Most extreme cost $0.063. Genuinely least cost $0.051. The normal for the month $0.056, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.059. Change for February 15.7%. Chiliz cost expectation for WOC 2024. Which generally is genuinely huge. Before all else, cost at $0.059. Most extreme cost $0.059. Least cost $0.047 in a significant way. The normal for the month $0.054. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.050. change for spring 15.3% in a genuinely significant manner. CHC to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.050, greatest cost $0.050, kind of least cost $0.039. The normal for the month $0.045 in a kind of enormous manner. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.042. Change for April 16.0%. Chilliz cost expectation for May 2024, which is genuinely huge. To start with, cost at $0.042 in an unpretentious manner. Greatest cost $0.042. Least cost $0.036. The normal for the month $0.040. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.039. Change for May 7.1%. CHC to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.039 in a very huge manner. Most extreme cost $0.045. Really least cost $0.039 in a kind of significant manner. The normal for the month $0.041. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.042. Change for June 7.7% in an unobtrusive way. Chilliz cost expectation for July 2024, which is genuinely critical. Initially cost at $0.042. Most extreme cost $0.052. Really least cost $0.042 in an all things considered significant way. The especially normal for the month $0.046 in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.049. Change for July 16.7%. Which truly is very critical. CHC to United States dollars expectations for August 2025, which is very huge. At the outset, cost at $0.035. Most extreme cost $0.040. By and large, least cost $0.034, which basically is very huge. The normal for the month $0.037. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.037. Change for August 5.7%. United States dollars to CHZ swapping scale equivalent to 12.1978 chilizes per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today's reach 12.1815 to 13.2293. Which is very huge. The past day's nearby 13.0719. Change for now 0.8741. 6.69% in an exceptionally large way. United States dollars to CHZ expectations for July 2023, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Initially cost at 13.16 chilizes, or so they thought. Most extreme cost 14.93. Least 12.05. The normal for the month 13.33. The United States dollars to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 13.16. Change for July 0.0%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for August 2023. Before all else,